Well, welcome back to the channel, Old Cars New Van, and in the last video I posted you saw the delivery of our new classic car, the Rover P6 3.5 V8, which we are absolutely delighted to take delivery of. And I hope you agree that it's in fantastic condition. It's not concours, but it's been restored to a very, very nice condition with good paintwork, more importantly good structure, and a good strong driving maintained engine. But it hasn't always been that case. This car has actually up till 2021 was off the road for in excess of 10 years, and it was a painstaking restoration project for somebody to restore it between 21 and 23. Now I'm very grateful to that person, who I will just name with their first name, Jay, for getting in contact and B, sharing the details of that restoration with me, including many photographs, many photographs, in fact, over 80. Now, I'm not going to put them all on this video because that perhaps would become a little bit long and tedious, but I am going to share with you some of the work that went into making this car what it looks like today. So here's a flavour. You can see some pretty extensive rot. I mean, I have to say that I think it was borderline whether this was actually worth doing. I'm very glad it was done because it's made a fantastic car, but an awful lot of work had to be done to resolve the corrosion issues, usual places, inner sills, absolutely classic on these to go, rear wheel arches. Well, I'll let the pictures speak for themselves. So there you go. Hopefully those photographs give you a good flavour as to the amount of work that's gone into making this Rover what it looks like today. As I say, we're absolutely delighted with it. It's not a Concours museum piece, but it's a very, very good standard, and we're really looking forward to enjoying it over the course of 2024 and beyond as we attend shows and continue our classic car adventures with this Rover. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again to Jay, should I say, for providing a lot of the photographs that have gone into this video. He's not the person I actually bought the vehicle from. That's what was so fantastic, that he actually made contact when he saw me posting on Facebook that I bought this vehicle. So a million thanks again to him. Please like and subscribe, and thank you again for watching our video. We look forward to the continued adventures of this channel, both with this car and indeed Keith, our MX-5 Unos Roadster. Thanks again. See you soon.